It is true, Mr. Speaker, that sometime in 2016, the Committee on Public Accounts Committee investigating the NYS saga came to the conclusion that, Mr. Speaker, a client known as Out of the Box Company Limited was paid by was part of the companies that were suspected to have participated in the NYS scandal. Although, Mr. Speaker, the evidence that was before the committee indicated that that company was contracted by the planning ministry and not the NYS. But be that as it may, Mr. Speaker, the SMS advocates that were the lawyers for the Out of the Box handled a transaction that Out of the Box Limited purchased a property via SMS advocates. Mr. Speaker, the committee received a representation from both parties. And although, Mr. Speaker, as you know, you are a lawyer of a senior lawyer, actually, you and your deputy, Mr. Speaker, very senior, yeah. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Of high repute. When we receive resources from clients to purchase a property, there is no legal requirement to go and ask them, how did you earn them? Some get them by, Mr. Speaker, collecting, Mr. Speaker, offering in charge. Others by selling whatever they sell, Mr. Speaker, others by employment they have. But once money comes from the account to the law firm's responsibility is just to ensure that you use them prudently to carry out the transaction that the client requested. The law firm did so, and despite that representation, the committee went ahead and made adverse recommendations against the SMS advocates. Aggrieved, the law firm went to court, Mr. Speaker, in 2017. And Mr. Speaker, on April 2020, the court ordered as follows, Mr. Speaker, that an order of certiorari is issued to bring into this court and quash recommendations 12 and 13, which were adverse on the SMS advocates of the report of Public Accounts Committee inquiring into the happening of NYS, violate petitioners' rights guaranteed by the Article 47 of the Constitution of Kenya. So, Mr. Speaker, as a senior lawyer, you know, once the court has quashed those proceedings, they are as though they never happened. And so, Mr. Speaker, to me, that's no longer an issue. That matter has been rested by the decision of the court. And anyone reading parliamentary report, a particular recommendation of the committee, paragraph 12 and 13, should now be aware that that has been quashed by the court. And that now leaves me, Mr. Speaker, to deal with the policy issues. Mr. Speaker, I want to collapse some of the questions that have been asked sector-wise. My teacher has asked, Honorable Sholei, Deputy Speaker, has asked a very important question about congestion of the Northern Corridor Road. And Mr. Speaker, particularly at the Malaba border, where we have a problem of congestion insofar as clearance is concerned. The problem in Malaba border is twofold, Mr. Speaker. One is the technology used by KRA to be able to clear truckers. Sometimes they have been facing challenges, and as a result of that technology being used, Mr. Speaker, sometimes even the challenge is about internet availability. And Mr. Speaker, we will work with the relevant Ministry of Finance and the Kenya Revenue Authority